Today is Thursday, January 21st, 2010, and the United States Supreme Court has just handed down a decision that is removing the ban on corporate electoral funding for our elections, federal, state, whatever. And basically, the Supreme Court has just overstepped its bounds. We can't even really hold them accountable for it. People on both sides of the aisle are saying this is stupid. Both Obama and McCain came out saying this is a horrible decision, which I'm glad to see. Although some people say, I read a story about, I think it was a lawyer that argued the case, said this is removing the duct tape from the mouths of the American people, because we can now support the candidates that we want to support with our money, which basically is kind of bullshit unless you own a corporation, in which then the case is true. Then your corporate mouths now have no tape over them. And pretty much what's going to happen from here on out, the election in 2010 later this year, midterm, is probably going to end up with a whole bunch of little corporate bastards running around throwing money at candidates and picking whoever will do whatever the fuck they want. And pretty much everything that big business, big corporations that have enough money to throw around is going to start happening, because they will outspend whoever is going up against the other candidate, and the candidate who wins because of corporate money is probably going to continue the trend that we see, like even with the Obama administration. Financial institutions are the ones that gave him most of his money, and they're doing pretty good now, even though everybody else is still screwed. So they're probably going to continue that trend, and basically the corporations will actually be able to openly control our government instead of this like half-assed like lobbyist like backdoor bullshit. We're not really sure how much influence they have, but now we know. Now we know. So if you're an average American like me, prepare to get fucked, because you and I, we don't matter anymore.